My happy candies. Come and help me. Take matches out of a box. Trace the box on scrapbook paper. Cut it out and glue it to all sides of the box. Draw a comic cloud on color paper and cut it out. Make speech bubbles of 2 colors. Glue one to the box. Fill the box with colorful Skittles candies. And write down, "Keep calm." Write, "and eat candies" on the other bubble, and put it inside on the top of the Skittles. I offered this soothing box to my friend. Read the instructions and eat the candies. The girl who never laughs takes a candy. But here comes another problem. The sweets cause pain in her tooth. Now she turns into a tooth sensitivity victim. What's the matter? It's definitely a bad day for her. I offer her the first aid. It's freshly brewed tea, but she refuses. Then I take out my secret weapon. It's my best fruit decoration, a minion banana. Take the printed out picture of the minion. Attach double-sided tape to the back. Cut out the details, eyes, a mouth, and overalls. Peel off the protecting cover and attach the details to the banana. The minion can make anyone smile, except for the girl who never laughs. She's used to seeing the minions on the screen, and she doesn't like bananas at all. My friend didn't accept my minion. What will she say about my new Snow White smile? Cut the section out of a red apple. Cut out a 1/2 inch strip in the middle. Carefully peel it off. Take out some flesh. Take small white marshmallows and tuck them inside tightly. We've got an apple smile. Cut out an upper lip outline on the top. Snip off the excess to make the bottom lip. I clench the apple with my teeth and show off my bright Snow White smile to my friend. Finally, I've managed to make her laugh. I bet this smile could be the envy of the Joker. And the teeth taste like real marshmallows, except the more you eat, the less teeth remain in the apple smile. When my friend is sad, she eats a lot. And this time she emptied the fruit bowl in just a few minutes. Thank God you didn't devour the plate. Wow! It isn't a regular plate, it's a real zebra. Draw zebra ears outline on a piece of white paper. Cut them out. Take a piece of thicker black paper and cut out smaller ears. Make cuts on a black trapezoid. Make it look like thick bangs. Cut out 2 circles for eyes. Add a white smile and nostrils to the black round muzzle. Take a white paper plate and turn it over. Hot glue the bangs and the ears to the edge. Attach the eyes in the center. Add the muzzle. Finish the eyes by drawing them with a black felt pen. Add black stripes on the sides. There should be 3 ones on each side. Fold the ears and the bangs. And turn over the plate again. There's nothing special at first glance, but once she turns it over, she sees the muzzle of a funny zebra on the back side of the plate. What kind of a monster is that? A zeblate? Can this new pet make her smile? But she doesn't like this black and white zebra, and she throws the zeblate away. My friend didn't see the true value of my zebra plate, but these cute fox socks will definitely help her boost endorphins. Take a piece of thin white felt. Draw 4 drop shapes. Cut them out. Cut a triangle from black felt. Make the sides oval. Cut out 2 sets of triangles for ears and 2 oval noses. Smooth out orange socks. Sew the black triangles to the rubber band. Make a muzzle from the white drops. These are eye spots. Sew the black nose between them. Draw the eyes with a black felt pen on the white fabric. Do the same on the second sock. The amusing fox pups start a real fun revolution. The girl who never laughs forgets all of her problems. She makes up a stage performance with the pups. The Fox in Peace. Moreover, they look great on her feet. They won't let them get cold. It's high time to go for a walk. But the girl who never laughs has put on her poker face again. She shows total indifference to everything that is going on. The solution of the problem is in its source. I'll finish with what I started with. I give my friend her favorite balloons. Hooray! Her mood is back. The mission's complete. Did you like our pranks? Write in your comments how you make your friends laugh. Do you make a banana minion or an apple smile? Or do you turn a plate into a funny zebra? Give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Ting-a-ling means it's time to have fun.